So today's a good day. I received my package for my AR-15 Advanced Armor class, and I'm just going to go through it with you guys. I just opened it up. Probably the biggest book I got from SDI. And the shipment packing list. Yeah, I didn't realize I was going to get everything to make an AR from SDI. I thought it was just going to be the lower 80. Here we go, this looks like a barrel. Takes a 16-inch barrel. We got an M4 sliding stock. Oh, there we go, that's nice. A little rough back there, but adjustable. What's this? Mid-length gas tube. Yeah, this is so great. I did not think I was going to get everything that I needed. Upper receiver. Oh, there you go. The AR-15 carbine buffer kit. This is interesting. I was wondering what kind are they going to give me? And all of this is Aero Precision brand. AR-15 M4 lower parts kit. Oh yeah, the small stuff I need. Springs and whatnot. Charging handle. Super generic. Oh, here we go. Bolt carrier group. I haven't really heard of Aero Precision. Hopefully it's a decent brand. Oh, nice. Got an AR wrench here. It's Aim Sports. What's this big package in here? Oh, we got Quantum handguards. Wow, that looks pretty nice. AM. Upper parts kit. Phosphate gas block. Oh, nice little bore light. Oh, a flash writer. Oh, that's nice. I didn't even see that the barrel had a screw on it. And last thing, just a washer. But yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm so happy SDI provided this whole kit. I'm probably going to be making a video about milling out the lower 80 and then putting all this together. So if you guys want to stay tuned, I'll catch you there. The one thing I do hate about this, like this is all great. Look at this shitty handle. I have small hands and this thing's like, it feels plasticky. It's tiny. My hands don't even fit all the way around it. All in all, good stuff.